Hey, have you ever wanted to use science to make special glow-in-the-dark slime like the assistant and I? Hey, make sure you watch this video and find out how. Hey assistant, what are we gonna make today?
Slime! Glow-in-the-dark slime!
Glow-in-the-dark slime. Now people at home, do you notice the assistant's silly shirt? Pretty silly, isn't it?
Yeah.
And the reason why is because we're going to use it with some special lights. Like these. Whoa, look at her shirt! Isn't that cool? Watch, I can even make it even cooler, watch. That's right, look at that shirt. So we're gonna use special glow-in-the-dark powders like these. Look, even when I take the light off, they glow. See, look at them. Glow-in-the-dark powder. And we're gonna make what, assistant?
Slime!
What are we gonna make?
Slime!
Glow-in-the-dark slime, right?
Yes. The first thing we need to do to make slime is put the glue in.
Glue is going to be added. Wait a minute, assistant. Yeah, let's go ahead and add that glue. So she's gonna make, have you ever made slime before?
Yes. I think that's enough.
No, we need more than that. Silly goose. That looks good. Right there. Okay. So here we've just got a little bit of glue. You see it's, what color is the glue, assistant?
Clear.
Clear glue. Should we add some of our special powder yet?
No.
No, okay. So now she's gonna add, what's that?
Contact solution.
Contact solution? Remember, this is glow-in-the-dark slime. It's not normal slime.
Now you can add the powder.
Now, why don't you just add, let me see, why don't we add a tablespoon? So we got this little fork right here.
That's good.
Ready, assistant? You wanna add it?
Yeah. Oh.
There you go. Now stir it up
We still
to make our glow-in-the-dark slime.
It also is like a dye to it.
Yep. Let's show the people at home what it looks like.
We still need that.
And we gotta add baking soda. Right now we just got like gluey glue stuff. See? But you know what happens with our gluey glue stuff when we turn off the lights?
Whoa!
Look at it! Whoa, look at our special, and look at the assistant's shirt. Hey, do you see the bird? There's a butterfly. Stand still quick. Do you see the butterfly on her shirt? All right, and look, I take all the lights off and look at the, what's it called?
Glue.
Slime. It's glowing, right?
Glow-in-the-dark slime.
All right, so we're gonna keep making it.
Yeah. Next, we have to add the
Baking soda, right?
soda.
So she's gonna add some baking soda to her slime.
I'm gonna mix it up.
She's gonna mix it up. Mix it up, mix it up, mix it up.
I don't think there's enough yet.
All right, she's gonna add a little bit more. And a little bit more contact solution. She's gonna keep mixing it. Still looks a little bit gluey, right?
What else do we need to add?
Probably a little bit more baking soda. Here, I'll give you a paper towel to dry your hands. Clean your hands off. So she's making it. Probably add a little bit more, maybe?
Don't add too much.
You don't add too much? All right, she's gonna stir it up.
Wait.
Oh, it looks like it's getting there, huh?
Yeah. It's getting a little bit chunky.
Is that good?
That means we added too much of this.
Oh, we added too much baking sodium? All right, so let me see it real quick. You're gonna add a little bit more contact solution.
Oh. There you go.
So this is what it's looking like now. So we're gonna stir it up. It's a little lumpy, that's okay, right? Now people at home, it just kind of looks like marshmallows, right? It doesn't look really all that special, right?
No.
But you know what? This is our first step to what? What are we making?
Slime!
What kind of slime?
Glow in the dark.
All right, so let's turn the lights off. What? It's glowing. It has no lights on now. Now I add the special glow lights and look at it. Now I'm gonna add the special flashlight. Whoa, look at that! Look at that.
Can I show you something cool?
Sure.
If I get my hands in this,
So we're gonna put her
finger will grow.
Whoa, look at her finger! No, wait a minute, touch my hand. Look at my hand! It's special glow-in-the-dark powder. Now assist it. Whoa! All right, so one thing we're gonna add next
It's ready, I think.
is we're gonna add a little bit of our blue powder. So here's our special blue powder. It looks kind of white, doesn't it? All right, now assist it. Ready? We're gonna mix this in. So I'm just gonna pour a little bit in. So here we go. Oh, put it all the way in the bottom. Now stir it in and let's see what happens.
Gotta take out the spoon. Oh.
Whoa, can I see it?
It's a little bit sticky.
It's a little sticky, but look at it. Look at the slime, people at home. Wait a minute. Now watch, we're gonna turn all the lights off. And it's still glowing. Add the black lights. What? Look at our glow-in-the-dark slime. Now, assistant, I've got some special stuff to add to it. You want to add it now?
Yeah.
All right, so let's turn on all of our lights again. So here's our slime. Look, it doesn't look that special now with the lights on, does it? Like, look, it's just like a little ball. It doesn't look very special, right? It's just like, hi, I'm a little ball of nothing. Nothing, right? Nothing special here. Nothing special until you turn the lights off and then look at it. What? Oh, look at that. Look at the ball. And then watch, we get our special black light with our special flashlight. Whoa. All right, I told you we got another special trick, didn't I?
Yeah.
All right, so we're
Add more of this, so it would be more stretchy.
So we're gonna add special black light paint. All right,
Paint?
yeah, put it in there.
Okay.
I'm gonna put it in. All right, now watch this. I'm gonna use my hands and I'm gonna use it. And we're just gonna mix it in. Does it look any different, people at home? Does that look any different? I don't think it looks any different. Do you think it looks any different?
No.
All right, so the spoon is what it looked like before, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you hold the spoon up. And I'm gonna put the special one right down there. And now let's turn the lights back off and see what it looks like. Whoa, look, it's got like white in it too, doesn't it?
Yeah. Like,
So, 1 and 2.
I like this one.
It tears apart. Pretty cool, right?
Right.
And look at my hands now that I've touched it. I'm gonna touch you, people at home, with my hands. Just kidding. Watch, I'll put the special light on it. Ooh. Pretty cool. And look, you know what I'm gonna do? Since you've been such a good sport with this, I think I'm gonna blow you a special balloon. But not just any balloon. Where'd it go?
It went all the way behind you. Oh, no, look at your mouth. Oh, look at your mouth.
Ready? Pretty cool. Now, I got a balloon here, right?
Right.
Say hi to the balloon.
Hi, balloon.
Hi, balloon. Hi, balloon. Hi, balloon. See, balloon? I'm going to put a... Oh, wait, that color doesn't work real well. We're going to put a smile on our balloon. You think our balloon deserves a smile?
Yeah.
So the sister's just going to make more of her slime. I'll turn the lights on real quick. And look, it's just a regular looking balloon, right? Does it look like a special balloon?
No.
It doesn't look like a special balloon. But then we're gonna do this. I'm gonna go. Does that look like an eye? And
I think I fixed it with more glue. The slime's more stretchy now.
I put a face on our balloon. Oh, let me see your little slime. Whoa, that's super stretchy. And bye. All right, people, let me see.
On your mouth.
Let me see the slime. Pretty cool stuff, right?
Right.
And I like your special shirt. And watch, we can even turn this on, and it'll even make it even cooler. Watch this. So black lights work with things that phosphoresce, that are fluorescent, like the stuff we put inside our special.
It's bouncy.
Hey, let's see if I can make a bounce. Ready? It didn't really bounce very well.
That tiny piece right there bounces.
Oh, it does? Show me.
Like that.
Oh, it does.
Like.
Whoa! Did you see that, people at home?
Whoa! It's really cool on the ground.
Look at my hands. They're so silly. All right, people at home. And now watch this. I'm gonna put a smile and TEF on.
Now write something.
Right down there. Oh, you can't see it. Now can you see it? Because now we're writing it in invisible ink. All right, assistant. Show us that slime one more time. So it doesn't look very special now, right? So right here's her slime. Doesn't look very cool, does it? You'd be like, Mr. Engineer, that's not very cool looking slime. But then we would go, what a bet? I think it's like way cool. What? Yeah, let's do it. See how fast you can do that. Why? It fell apart. It fell apart, assistant. Okay, everyone. We hope you had fun. Bye. Hey there, everyone. Thanks for watching our video. Now make sure that you subscribe to the Engineering Family so you can see lots of cool videos. In fact, there's another cool video right there. You can select and watch it. I think you're really going to like it. Is it Team Umizoomi, Paw Patrol, Surprise Eggs, Frozen, Blade, Masha? There are so many videos to watch. Bye.